Hi, it's Sue Derby at Shorewest Realtors with this week's edition of Tuesday's 2 Cents Worth. This box of free stuff from Focus on Energy was delivered. Do you want to see what I got? This program is so awesome. When our buyers close on their new house, if it's serviced by Re-Energies, Travis and I sign them up for the program. The first thing that they receive is a certificate worth $125 towards a furnace tune-up, a home maintenance and energy guide, and access to resources and rebates to get free stuff like this once a year, and discounts on other energy-saving items too. I took advantage a few years ago of the Nest thermostat. Focus on Energy Marketplace was offering a simple version for only $10 at the time. Well, let's see what we have this time. Here's some pipe wrap to insulate the pipes. That prevents heat loss on the hot pipes and sweating on the cold pipes. It looks very easy to use. An energy-efficient shower head. I may need a bit of help installing that. Not all of us are qualified to be part-time plumbers. A cool nightlight. It has a dusk to dawn function, which I think means it'll turn itself on and off. Oh, there's a cool little gauge to measure the water temperature. About 120 to 130 degrees is ideal. That prevents scalding the little ones and will save you some money. And of course, light bulbs. With a free package every year, I can't remember the last time I actually had to buy a light bulb. Each one has a 25,000 hour of use time. I'm not going to do the math, but I think that means a lot of years. The website also offers an online marketplace which offers discounts on all sorts of energy products. Just go to focusonenergymarketplace.com and start saving now. Thanks for tuning in to this week's Tuesday's 2 Cents Worth. This is Sue Derby at Shorewest Realtors, your local realtor ready to work hard for you. And please, if you have any friends or family thinking about making a move, pass along our information. We promise we'll work hard for them too. Thanks again.